the easiest way to clean your showerhead. If your showerhead is spraying unevenly, shooting water in strange directions, or no longer producing the same water pressure it once did, mineral buildup may be blocking the small spray holes. This happens gradually, especially in homes with hard water. Minerals in the water collect around the nozzles and form a white, chalky layer. Eventually, some of the openings become partially or completely clogged. Fortunately, you probably don't need to replace the showerhead or take the entire thing apart. One of the easiest ways to clean it is with plain white vinegar. Start by pouring white vinegar into a plastic bag, one large enough to fit over the showerhead. You don't need to fill the entire bag. Just add enough vinegar to completely cover the spray holes once the bag is placed over the showerhead. Carefully put the bag over the showerhead and position it so that the clogged nozzles are submerged in the vinegar. Secure the bag around the shower arm using a rubber band, twist tie, or string. Make sure it is tight enough to hold the bag in place, but don't pull so tightly that you damage the fixture. Now, let the vinegar do the work. White vinegar is acidic, which helps loosen and dissolve the chalky mineral deposits caused by hard water. As the showerhead soaks, the buildup around the nozzles will begin to soften. For light buildup, allow it to soak for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. For heavier buildup, you may need to leave it for a few hours. However, avoid leaving vinegar on the showerhead overnight, unless you know the finish can safely handle it. Some delicate, dark, brass, gold, bronze, or specialty finishes may become dull or damaged if they are exposed to vinegar for too long. Always check the manufacturer's cleaning instructions when you are unsure. Once the showerhead has finished soaking, carefully remove the bag and pour the used vinegar down the drain. You may immediately notice pieces of loosened mineral buildup around the spray holes. Use a sponge or an old toothbrush to gently scrub the surface, paying particular attention to the nozzles and any areas where you can still see deposits. If the showerhead has flexible rubber nozzles, gently rub or massage them with your fingers. This can help break apart deposits that have softened during the soak. You can also carefully use a toothpick to loosen buildup inside individual openings. Just avoid forcing anything deeply into the holes, since this could damage the nozzles or push debris farther inside. After scrubbing, turn on the shower and allow warm or hot water to run through the showerhead for about 1 minute. This will help flush out loosened mineral deposits and remove any vinegar remaining inside. For the final step, wipe the outside of the showerhead with a damp microfiber cloth and dry it thoroughly. This will remove remaining water spots and leave the fixture looking cleaner. Now, if the showerhead is extremely clogged and the bag method doesn't remove everything, you can unscrew it and soak it in a bowl or container. Be careful when removing the showerhead, since some fixtures may require a wrench. Wrap a cloth around the connection first to avoid scratching the finish. Place only the affected portion in vinegar and allow it to soak. Afterward, scrub the nozzles, rinse the showerhead thoroughly, and reinstall it. How often you need to clean your showerhead depends on the hardness of your water. In some homes, mineral buildup returns quickly. In others, the showerhead may only need cleaning once or twice a year. Rather than following a strict schedule, look for the signs. If the water begins spraying sideways, the pressure becomes weaker, some of the holes stop working, or you notice a white crust forming around the nozzles, it is probably time for another vinegar soak. You can also help prevent heavy buildup by occasionally wiping the showerhead and faucets with a microfiber cloth. Removing light, water spots is much easier than dealing with a thick layer of hardened mineral deposits later. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.